Are you looking for a way to regrow your hair? Is red light just not working the way you want it to? Well, this video I'm going to talk to you about a hair massager tool. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Growband Pro from Hairguard. The Growband Pro is this hair scalp massager kind of headband, right? And this thing stimulates the blood flow in your scalp and helps you regrow your hair. Technology. In this episode, we're not going to be doing an unboxing, but we're going to be sharing part of the details and the scientific studies behind the Growband Pro to help you make the right decision if this is the right product for you. So, let's get into it. This is the Growband Pro from Hairguard. You can restore your natural hair growth with the Growband, the world's first fully automated scalp massager designed to reverse male pattern hair loss without side effects. Also, it works for women. It's A+, so you can halt and reverse hair loss in just 10 minutes per day, nourish, strengthen, and thicken your hair, and avoid the dread shed associated with other hair loss treatments. Enjoy results that stay with you for the long term. So how does it work? Hair loss is caused by the lack of blood flow to the hair follicles. The Growband Pro is designed to mimic a scalp massage, helping to restore healthy blood flow so that you can regrow thick, healthy hair. But will it work for you? If you have early to moderate pattern hair loss, then the Growband Pro is designed specifically for you and your hair loss, regardless of age, gender, or ethnicity. They are so sure you'll love it that they offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means that you don't love it, you can return it and get your money back. Japan has done extensive research on hair scalp massage and its effects. Hair thickness in the massage area showed significant increase at 12 weeks compared with the baseline. The hair scalp massage increased the density and helped with the thickness of your hair. So it seems like around 12 weeks, you're going to see an increase. In this study, discrete data for reported hair changes for all SSM participants, with vertical dotted lines corresponding to 10 percentile bends of total SSM effort. The dashed trend line corresponds to the average self-perceived hair change for any given SSM effort, with the surrounding gray band indicating an 85% confidence interval. Dr. Huberman has also spoken about this product and mentioned the correlation between blood flow and scalp thickness. You can kind of see in this video what he's talking about.
In order to relieve tension of the scalp, it's decreasing the squinting, if you will, or the tensile nature of the scalp skin so that more blood flow can arrive at that stem cell follicle area. So as you're probably starting to realize, there's a relationship between mechanical stimulation of the follicle and blood flow, both of which turn out to be critical for maintaining hair and for stimulating hair growth.
When you wear this thing, it looks so futuristic. Mind-blowing. It's very cool that Japan has done all kinds of studies on this, as well as multiple other doctors, and they're seeing the correlation between the blood flow stimulation and the hair growth density and follicle thickness. It's wow! So between this and things like the red light therapy, it just seems like such an awesome combo for people to not have to go in and get that kind of surgery done. So A+. We want to give a huge shout out to Hairguard for sponsoring this video and sending us all the research and information on the Growband Pro so that we can share it with you guys. I've been today's host Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!